A tree that has an allelopathic effect on native plants. What tree is it? The well-known Melina arborea of the family Lamiaceae. The genus Melina was named after Johann Georg Melin, a botanist who contributed to studying plants in Siberia and other regions. The species Arborea comes from Latin arbor, meaning tree, reflecting its nature as a tree species. Melina is native to India, Pakistan, northern Rhodesia, and Malaysia. It is widely planted throughout the Philippines. Plantations of Melina in the Philippines started in the provinces of Cebu and Nueva Vizcaya. Melina is a deciduous tree that has a very remarkable rate of growth. It takes only 3 years in a reasonably good site to attain a merchantable timber size from 5.8 to 8.3 meters tall with a diameter ranging from 10 to 15 centimeters. Melina is primarily used for pulpwood production because of its relatively high kraft pulp yield and low chlorine requirement. Its wood is sawn for general carpentry, joinery, furniture components, other household fixtures, particle board, plywood, and matches. The wood produces average paper yields with properties superior to those of most hardwood pulps. Melina is ideal for musical instruments and boat decking. The round timbers are used for posts, house timbers, and poles, while rotary cut veneers are utilized for plywood. It can also be used as fuel wood. Its leaves can be used as fodder. Its flowers produce abundant nectar. When planted in the site, this tree can have allelopathic effects on native plants. Allelopathy is the negative effect of chemicals released by one plant species on the growth and reproduction of another. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.